You work over there and there and there and everywhere. He just says, Father, Father, Father.
I am sick. Trying to be part of it, but
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
I am really sick. So,
When the lady
saw him, the lady told herself, "Oh,
sorry naman, sorry.
that Paul." Then something in her eye meet the eye of the sadness, came in the reality of the bandit, just told them, "Oh, is that Paul? Paul cannot do work anymore. That is why Paul can be Paul anytime that you wanted to. You cannot question it because that is not it 7 anymore. That is why Ed cannot be carry on minus 2. And
With a negative.
Ed.
And